So today we're going to be taking a quick look at the S75 mechanical keyboard. So let's open this up. And then you have to take this protective layer off here. And then you have the instructions here on how to use it. Here is the keyboard itself. Let's pull this out of this bag here. And oh my goodness, I've got to say, it is looking really clean. And as always, this brand always has like very solid keyboards. So this is pretty dense and heavy. So let's give a little sound test here. Oh yeah. And it's gonna sound super nice. It feels really good to type with. Not a lot of effort being put into pressing down the keys. Okay, so then we have the keyboard right there. And then in the back here is where you could find a tool to remove keys. And then you have your extra keys here. You have a wipe. And then on this side here, we have the USB to Type-C cable for the wide connection. So we're just gonna set this over to the side here and really focus in on the keyboard itself. So let's take a look at the back here. So you could flip these switches here, or these legs, and then you just have it angled this way so you could type better. That's personally how I like to have it. And let's see the other side. Okay, we have this where you could plug into your computer for a wireless connection. That's where that's going to be. And then on this side here is where you'll see the Type-C port. And then on this side here is where you'll see Bluetooth connection. You could also have it connected via wired connection, or you could also have it connected through 2.4G, which is the setting that you have to have it on if you want to connect it with this right here. So let's say I switch it to Bluetooth, and then you can see that it's turning on. It wasn't on when it was on the wired connection because it wasn't plugged into anything, but you could just see I have a steady blue. Okay, it just kind of is hanging out there. Let's turn off this light so you get a better idea of its lighting effects. Okay, here it is in different lighting. As you can see, that hard light blue back there. All right, I have the instructions in front of me. So let's see here. It says FN, and then this is the, no wait, this is the light mode switching. So let's click on that. Okay, we have this different effect where it looks like it's only lighting up on the areas where you're pressing down keys. Okay, let's go over to the next one. Okay, no splash effect there or anything like that. So FN, and then this one here, you can see a different lighting effect going on currently. No splash effect on that one. Okay, here we go. Here we just have different lights going through, and you just keep cycling through until you find one that you like. This one's just kind of fading in. There we go. We have a little rainbow one. This one just kind of going through, again, just the rainbow colors. I usually like the one that has like a little bit of a splash. Okay, and then we just have it off right there. Okay, another rainbow. There we go. Yeah, I'm usually a fan of like the splashing ones. This is one I usually use, but I just want to give you guys. Ooh, okay, this is an even cooler splash effect. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's see if there's anything else we can come across here. Ooh, okay. This one's also looking pretty neat. Yeah, a bunch of different splash effects, which I'm a huge fan of. And then we have this one here. It's pretty neat to see. There we go. Yeah, just gonna rapid fire through. Yeah, a lot of cool ones. You could also change the color if you hold this and then tab. So that's gonna be hard to do with one hand. Yeah, you could do different colors. So you can see I'm just cycling through here. So you could do this on each different light effect there, so you can see that. So I'm going to show you how to connect to a laptop. So I'm going to dial this over to 2.4G. So I'm going to head over there, and then I'm going to pull this from back here, and then I'm going to connect this through my USB port on my laptop. And then I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of a type test. So you'll just be able to listen to me type. Oops. Oh, there you go. But yeah, I am a huge fan of this keyboard. Very simple and easy to get started. And full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this video.